Take a look into deep space. There's something out there, no bigger than a city, yet somehow it's heavier than our entire sun. Sounds impossible, doesn't it? Well, this is the unbelievable story of a neutron star. Hidden among billions of stars lies an incredible secret. It looks small, almost harmless from a distance. But don't be fooled. Its gravity can bend light itself. Scientists still can't stop studying it, and its story is only getting stranger. Everything begins with a giant star. For millions of years, it shines across the universe. Deep inside, a powerful battle never stops. Gravity pushes in, while energy pushes out. But that balance won't last forever. Inside the star, hydrogen atoms keep colliding. Each collision releases an incredible amount of energy. That's what keeps this giant star alive. It seems stable and almost eternal, but every star eventually runs out of fuel. Slowly, the star begins to change. Its fuel starts running out, one layer at a time. Then iron forms, deep inside the core. From that moment, everything starts falling apart. The countdown has officially begun. Suddenly, the light begins to fade. Gravity finally takes complete control. The giant core starts collapsing inward. Everything happens in only a few seconds, and the worst is still coming. The entire star collapses. Under its own weight, billions of tons of matter rush toward the center. The pressure becomes absolutely unimaginable. Then everything reaches its limit, and the universe explodes with power. A gigantic supernova lights up the darkness. For a moment, it outshines an entire galaxy. Shockwaves race across space in every direction, but something incredible survives the explosion. And that's where our real story begins. The explosion slowly fades into silence. Glowing debris drifts across empty space. But deep inside, the core keeps collapsing. Something extraordinary is taking shape, and you're about to see it. The pressure becomes almost impossible to imagine. Electrons and protons merge into neutrons. A neutron star is finally born. Tiny in size, yet heavier than our sun, and its true power is just beginning. It may be small, but don't let that fool you. This entire object is only the size of a city, yet it holds more mass than our sun. Nature created something truly unbelievable, and it only gets stranger from here. Now imagine squeezing our giant sun, smaller, smaller, and even smaller, until it fits inside a single city. That's exactly what a neutron star is. Almost impossible, but completely real. Still hard to imagine? Picture Mount Everest, crushed into a grain of sand. Even that isn't dense enough. A neutron star is far more extreme. Reality is stranger than imagination. Now think about our Earth. Imagine compressing it into a tiny marble. Mountains, oceans, everything squeezed together. That's how extreme this pressure really is. And we're still not even close. Here's the craziest part. One tiny teaspoon of neutron star matter would weigh around 1 billion tons. No human could ever lift it. It's almost beyond belief. Its gravity is unbelievably powerful. Even light cannot travel normally nearby. Space itself begins to bend. Everything looks strangely distorted. Gravity has become the true ruler here. And that's not all. Time itself begins to slow down. Near a neutron star, every second changes. The closer you get, the slower time flows. The universe plays by different rules here. Then comes its magnetic field. It's stronger than anything on Earth. Powerful energy surrounds the entire star. Even space seems alive with force. This object refuses to be ordinary. Now watch closely. The neutron star starts spinning faster, hundreds of times every single second. It looks absolutely impossible, but nature really does this. Then something amazing happens. Bright beams shoot from its poles, like a giant lighthouse in deep space. These mysterious signals travel across the universe, and their story is just beginning. Those powerful beams never stop sweeping through space. Each spin sends another signal outward, like a giant lighthouse in the darkness. Scientists call these objects pulsars, and they are incredibly accurate. One of those signals is heading toward Earth. It travels across millions of light years. Nothing can stop its incredible journey. Finally, it reaches our planet, and someone notices something unusual. Astronomers watch their instruments carefully. The signal repeats again and again, always perfect, never missing a beat. Everyone starts asking the same question: what exactly is sending it? For a short time, some people wondered, could these signals come from aliens? It sounded crazy, but possible. The mystery kept growing bigger until scientists found the truth. The answer surprised everyone. These signals weren't from aliens. They came from spinning neutron stars. Nature had created its own lighthouse, and the mystery became even better. But there's something even more terrifying. Meet the most powerful neutron stars of all. They're called magnetars. Their power is almost unimaginable, and this changes everything. A magnetar's magnetic field is unbelievably strong, trillions of times stronger than Earth's. It twists space with incredible force. Nothing nearby remains untouched. It's one of nature's greatest monsters. Imagine one coming close to Earth. Satellites could fail within moments. Communication would become completely chaotic. Thankfully, they're extremely far away, and let's hope they stay there. Even from that distance, they're dangerous. Scientists can still detect their powerful bursts. Each flash reveals another mystery. We're still learning how they work, and many questions remain unanswered. Now imagine two neutron stars together, locked forever in a deadly dance. With every orbit, they move closer, faster, and faster toward disaster, and the collision is finally coming. The two neutron stars keep moving closer. Each orbit becomes faster than the last. Their final dance has already begun. There's no escape from what's coming. The universe is holding its breath. Then something incredible happens. Space itself begins to ripple. Invisible gravitational waves spread outward, racing across the entire universe, carrying the story of this collision. Now they're only moments apart. Their gravity becomes overwhelming. The tension keeps building every second. Everything happens unbelievably fast. Then they finally touch. A blinding explosion fills the darkness. Energy bursts in every direction. The collision shakes the fabric of space. It's one of the most powerful events ever seen, and something precious is being created. The explosion keeps expanding outward. Gravitational waves continue their journey, crossing galaxies at incredible speed. The universe remembers this moment, even billions of years later. Inside the explosion, something amazing forms. Gold begins taking shape. Platinum is created too. These rare elements are born in chaos. From one incredible cosmic collision, one tiny gold atom starts its journey. It drifts across deep space. For billions of years, it keeps traveling until it reaches a newborn world. Its story is just beginning. That same gold becomes part of our world, maybe a wedding ring or a necklace, something beautiful, born from destruction. We're connected to the stars in more ways than we realize. Every atom has its own story. Some began inside dying stars. Others were forged in violent collisions. The universe lives within us, and that's truly incredible. But one mystery still remains. What really exists inside a neutron star? Scientists still don't know. The answers are waiting in the darkness, and our journey isn't over yet. Deep inside the neutron star's core, pressure reaches unimaginable levels. Matter behaves in completely unknown ways. Scientists are still searching for answers, and the mystery continues. Could there be a new form of matter? Something we've never seen before? No laboratory can recreate these conditions. That's why neutron stars fascinate scientists. Their secrets remain hidden. Around the world, researchers keep investigating. Powerful telescopes watch these distant objects. Supercomputers run endless simulations. Every discovery reveals another question. The search never truly ends. The deeper we look, the stranger it gets. Every answer creates another mystery. Every discovery opens another door. The universe keeps surprising us, and that's what makes science beautiful. These silent stars died billions of years ago, but their story didn't end there. Even today, they continue shaping the cosmos. Their legacy lives across the universe, far beyond our imagination. They create the building blocks of worlds. They help shape future galaxies. Even precious elements come from them. Death in space creates new beginnings. Nature's cycle never stops. Now take one last look. A tiny star drifting through darkness, small enough to fit inside a city, heavy enough to outweigh the sun. A true wonder of the universe. The next time you look at the stars, remember, their stories are real. Somewhere out there, a neutron star waits, silent, powerful, and mysterious, watching the universe forever. Who knows what else is hiding? The universe still holds countless secrets. Many remain completely undiscovered, and every mystery leads to another. Our journey has only begun. Space is far bigger than we imagine. Every discovery changes our perspective. Every question brings new possibilities. That's the beauty of exploring the cosmos. There is always more to discover. Thank you for joining this journey. If you enjoyed it, keep exploring with us. The universe never runs out of mysteries, and we'll uncover them together. Until next time, keep looking up.